I'm tired. Well, Nicaragua to Costa Rica. On the exit, first we had to go to the Nicaraguan immigration. I got a little bit nervous because they ask you for $1 for each passport. So we said we don't have dollars at the immigration. We gave them 105 Cordobas. Then at the immigration desk, they asked for $3 more per person, and we say we don't have any dollars. Take this Cordoba. No, we don't accept Cordoba. I started shouting. Anyway, we exchanged from Cordoba to dollars. We gave them the dollars, and then they sent us to a small house, a box, where there was a bored customs officer. He said, "Please wait for the other officer." So we go to check your car. They come, they check the car. We fill the document, the classic document in the entry. The same was in the exit for the customs. They entered both into the car. They checked some pockets, some lockers. They said, "Do you have a drone?" No. Do you have? They were interested about the cameras, the photographic equipment. Okay, they checked. That was about 5 minutes. So we took a paper and then we went to a long queue. We waited about 45, 50 minutes to stamp the temporary permit so we could clear the car. And after that, we exited. Before that, entering the customs, we had to make photocopies of my passport, the car registration document, and my driving license for the customs. So first is photocopies. You go to immigration, you need $4 per passport, and then you go to customs to clear the car, check of the car, clear the car, and exit. That was about 1.5 hours. Then we enter the side of the Costa Rican border office, border station. It's under construction. A brand new border station is under construction, and we passed the fumigation. We paid nothing. We entered the immigration. We paid nothing. Immigration was very fast, very nice. There was an aduana, a customs office on the opposite side. We filled the document and they gave us another document and we had to go to the insurance. But on the exit, there is a second customs office. We are in Costa Rica now. There we paid $50 for 3 months state insurance, which is good. That was the only money we paid today, $50 for the Iveco. And then we took the real permit for 1 month. Actually, we could take from the immigration up to 3 months permit to enter the country. We took only 1 month, and 1 month is also the permit for the car. And after 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours, let's say 3 hours, we are cleared. I'm very tired, and now we have to find somewhere to sleep for our first night in Costa Rica. Let's go. Bienvenidos a Costa Rica.